might sneeze.
Have you ever gone to the circus at Dwarf Fortress? Yes. I have found it fun many times.
I bet see.
100%.
Okay, what a start to the stream.
Circus
Woo.
Fortress? I have. I've done that. I've also
Sorry.
done volcano
Sorry.
fortresses where you live in a volcano, which is quite fun. I enjoy those.
Thor's stream is about to end, so I'm just tuning into the last part of it.
Yeah. Let's go read the next donation. About game dev and dev in general, I personally always give up because of one
Pardon
thing, scope creep, where my vision of the game project gets bigger the more I work on it.
Yes.
Hence, why I always can't seem to finish projects and give up. How do you deal with scope and backlog creep? You will be given so much by making a game design document. This stops you from scope creep. So what you do, let me go pull this up. Develop.games has an example of this, a website that I built for you guys to learn, and now that I've said that, it's dead. It's already dead. You don't have to look at it. It's already dead, promise. But I'm going to give you this link that won't die, which is a sample game design document. This is actually from one of the winners of one of our game jams. Yeah, King My DOS.
Oh, it is dead. He just killed his own website. It's the end of the week. You want to check how much money is left in your wallet, but you are tired of summing up the values of all of these bills and coins. So you write a program that does this for you. Alright, have a good day, Thor. Okay, there we go. Which one of these? Did it load this one? Okay, good. Let's go to here and just play. Can we play those for a change here instead of... Okay, cool. What do we have clicked? Okay, let's go random. And then we're good. Okay, back to this now. I sense another sneeze coming on. I just got home. I went to Walmart pickup. I don't know how you can get stuffy nose from that, but it's happening. But you're tired of summing up the values of all these bills and coins, so you write a program that does this for you. Oh, of course. Cool. Each line of the program should expect first the type of bill or coin, then the amount of it in your wallet. Each line, there's parsing there's parsing involved. I don't want to parse anything. I don't want to parse today. Have you got parsing? Can you parse? Can you pass me the code, please? Could you pass me the string? No, is the answer. No. Straight up no. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, do you have parsing in here? So I think prime power check, replace string, parse words from string. There we go. I already have this ready to go. How sad is that? Boom, 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 boom. Dimitri got it.
Infinite Coder 01.
Infinite Coder, what's up? I started late because I just got back from driving out of town and going to Walmart, picking up my stuff and coming right back. How you doing? Oh, I need coffee, but I've already got energy, so I don't know what that'll do. Saw your stream a couple times. That's pretty cool. Is it going right now? I've seen it with all the... Yeah. Uh-oh. 2 hours. Bum, 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 bum. Yep. I saw the tests. Oh, you're testing recently. Test stream for a New Year event. Oh. Got a New Year event going on, huh? Cool, dude. Shoot.
Infinite Coder 01. My internet is dying right now.
Don't do it. No. All right. Well, as long as it lasts, have a good day. Come in. I'll be here for a while. I just got my groceries. I've yet to do coffee. I just got a bunch of stuff I can make for breakfast now. I got all kind of stuff I can cook. I do want to do a little bit more shopping today or tomorrow, but that's not very much.
Coder 01. It's buffering.
Buffering. Uh-oh. I don't think it's me. Yeah. Alright. Maybe it's mad at you for all those procedural streams you're doing. Dollar bills, cent coin. Okay. Dollar bill, cent, coin. Okay.
Infinite Coder 01. I'm unstable on 160p.
Let's see if I can figure this out. String, stream, words, word.
Infinite Coder 01. My stream died because of my internet.
Your stream died because of your internet. Oh, that's not good. 160p? Oh, wow. I wish there was a way sometimes when you could just switch to just audio, you know, so that the audio would be stable. That would be kind of nice.
Infinite Coder 01, but it was stable 30 FPS 720p. Now it's time for audio.
Yeah. I don't know how to do that, but that would be nice to do. Just switch off the internet.
Infinite Coder 01, just audio equals 160p.
Yeah, but I don't know how to do that. Is there a way to do that? That'd be cool, but I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna get this, but I might as well try.
Infinite Coder 01, and page is important.
And beige? I don't know what that is. What did you misspell, bruh?
Infinite Coder 01. I set Twitch stream to 160p quality so I can hear you.
Oh, you can do that? Really? Hold on. Let's go to Thor. Oh, you can do that? Interesting. Ah, there we go. Okay, I didn't know that. That's cool. Good to know. For certain times. Alright, so let's see. iString stream. Vector words word, I guess? I don't know, though. Get line word, comma. So what I need is... Well, let's see. I know so little about C++ strings. It's just ridiculous. Is there a thing on W3 Schools for it? I'm going to waste the time on this one. We're not going to finish that one. We're going to learn about C strings. We're going to see if there... See here. Here we go, strings. Are there methods, concatenation, numbers for length, access, special characters? This is not what I want. I want to see the methods on strings. And they don't have it. And it was in dark mode. Okay. Let's ask ChatGPT. What if I should go make a coffee? Or if I should go fix some food? I mean, I've been driving for almost an hour, I think. Longer than an hour, because it's 40 minutes to where I went, and then it's method, size, length, description, parameters, example, usage. Oh, cool. Get the length of the string, check if the string is empty, clear the contents, appends a string, appends a single character. Appends a single character? Oh. See, but then pushback, there's more that you can do with pushback, isn't it? Interesting. Inserts a string or character. Insert 6. Yeah, this isn't... Wonder if I could just look it up in this book here. Page 877. That's where we're going here. Problem is, to look at this book, I have to lift up my glasses, which means I can't see the computer screen. So 877, the string class, okay? And it's got all this stuff. So replace, append, okay, so is there, what I was looking for is like a find. Finds a substring or a character size, find const string, find that. Okay. So that's what I need. See, by the time I look up just one function to even start this whole challenge is over. I have 3 minutes. And that's just the one part, just to find whether it's a bill or a coin. That's it. Took me 12 minutes to get to that point, to where I would get up, get the book, ask ChatGPT, look it up, whatever. What they need is a coding game where the challenge is not just string manipulation or just simple math or even complex math, whatever they do, but like graphic stuff, you know? You know what I'm saying? Oh, I tell you, I haven't even opened Visual Studio. Oh my gosh, Jeff, what's coming? What's gotten into you, Jeff? What's happening? What's going on? Not much. Okay, what do we need to do? What I need to do is freak out. Preparing solution. Alright. I'm gonna go fix a quick coffee. Sizing of the windows, get rid of pixel art gen stuff. I did that last night. Sizing of the windows, saving, loading groups of shaders. I think we're going to do that today. And then we'll get a little bit more into the OpenGL settings and stuff, and possibly sending in the data and all that. I don't know. Alright, so I'll be right back. Okay, we're getting coffee. Be right there. Getting coffee. Okay. Okay, what I'm doing now is stirring coffee right here. This is really code in this little cup that I got here. Okay. Didn't miss much. So what am I going to do today? We're going to do shader groups. I think we're going to do that. So be able to save groups. Give the group like a name, I guess. I don't know. We'll have to have like a save file and configuration and stuff. So it's going to be interesting. This will be interesting. Haven't done anything like that in a long time, but it needs to be done. I should change the stream title, Stirring My Coffee. But also, as a side distraction, I want to go onto Shader Toy and find something else to wonder how they do this. Is it a lot of code? Is it a lot of code? Rand rotate scene 1 main image. That doesn't look like too much code. Okay. Interesting. Does this use what they call ray marching, I guess? You know, it's really cool. I'll show you this. This one. Let's pause the music for just a second. We can stop the game. So we'll go like this. Play as a guest.
Do you remember the time when you first stepped into an arcade, full with those marvelous cabinets with colorful games, the sweet, loud cacophony of music and sound effects with an occasional cheer in the crowd? Those moments, almost lost in time, are now yours to touch in Arcadia Neon Dreams.
So I played, what was it, this one? Hyperwave Havoc. It's pretty cool. Check this out. So you move with the mouse. This is me moving the mouse. I don't think there's anything you do with... You just fire like that. And you avoid their bullets. There you go. Now what's happening? I don't know. This is so cool. I like it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Am I killing them before they spawn into my... I still need to stir my coffee and drink it. Coffee must happen. Uh-oh, what's going on? We're reaching the end of something. Do I go this way? Can I go over here? Whoa, what's that? What happened? Wave 2. Can I not run into there? Oh, gotta go like this. Oh, I see, that brings that down. That's insane. This is crazy. Oh, okay. Okay, so let's kind of go up here. Uh-oh, I'm taking hits. Taking hits, commanders. And we're dead. And we're dead. So that's it. Wait, don't... I just wanted to... So how do we... Wait, how do you exit from the game? I don't want to... Alright, let's just... I don't know. I don't know how to exit. Escape to show your cursor. So how do you exit from this game? Other than dying, I guess I could die. Hold on, we'll just die. Q. So, like middle click, left click, right click? No, left click starts the game. Okay. It doesn't say how to quit the game, which kind of sucks. But there are controls down here. Move with mouse, fire with LMB. Backspace to exit arcade game. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Wait, how do I get back into the... Escape to show cursor? Oh, there we go. So here... Escape to show cursor. Backspace. Where's the backspace?
Infinite Coder 01. I'm back.
Where's the backspace? Isn't it... I'm just hitting backspace. Maybe I have to be at the main menu. Maybe I have to die. Okay, good. Backspace. Can we go back? So backspace. There we go. You have to be at the main menu. Is not... It didn't tell you that. Alright. We're good. Hold on, I'll try the other one in a second. Coffee. Welcome back, Infinite. I had to go make coffee and do some dishes real quick. I know. I'm being entirely unproductive. It's all good. Let's start productivity with a sip of coffee. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so good. Play Malibu Hot Chase? Well, before I do that, what are the controls for this? Malibu Hot Chase, WASD and arrows to drive. WASD and arrows to drive for Malibu Hot Chase. Computer? And why is this Malibu Hot Chase out of order, but this one over here works? Okay, WASD and arrows to drive. So I don't use the mouse? Press a key to begin.
Set, go.
Does this... Oh, I see. Whoa. Can I change my perspective? Okay.
Set, go.
Maybe I shouldn't go so fast. Okay, not going so fast. Around the corner we'll slow down. Whoa. Slowing down. This is really cool. There's no gauge to tell you what your speed is, so you're totally going by sight as to what your speed is, which is crazy. Ah! Oh, now we're going crazy. Where are we at? Where are we at? Where are we at? Oh, don't go off the road. Don't go off the road. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Learn to drive.
How about this backspace? Okay, good. Oh my god, why did I mix this? Coffee is so good. Wow. It's like the best coffee I've ever had. Hyperwave Havoc. So that Hyperwave Havoc's out of order. What's this other one then? Perestroika? Look at all the buttons and controls on this thing. The heck? Perestroika. WASD, arrows to move. What? Left mouse button? I'm supposed to have my one hand on the WASD, other hand on the arrows. What hand is going to be hitting the left mouse button? Space for torpedoes. There's a slight bug in itch release with Malibu Hotchase that prevents NPC drivers. Prevents NPC drivers? The quick fixed version can be played in GD games. Okay. I don't know. Perestroika Pioneers WASD space. Let's just go with WASD in space. Where's my cursor? I have no idea what this is here. Press key to play. Vladimir, your task is to hunt capitalist ships. Alright. Where am I? WASD? Oh, I did something. Oh, we got one. Okay. And bam. Well done. Well done, comrade. What does that mean? I thought I died. Escape to show your cursor. Okay. So what's this one? Build a circuit using all of the elements provided. To win the level, let me link this guy in chat. Build a circuit using all the elements provided. To win the level, all switches must be turned on. All outputs must be wired. Pardon me. All lamps must be lit. God, coffee is so delicious. I'm never going to code. I'm just going to drink coffee on stream. Not going to do it. In fact, when I start coding, I should probably note the time, because when I go to edit the video, I can just cut out the first. No need to sit through the first 40 minutes or whatever. No, I chapter all my videos so you can skip all the beginning fluff, like drinking coffee. I want to make another coffee. I'm not going to lie.
Infinite Coder 01, 36 already.
Yeah, and this coffee is going to get me up to 46 here. Sorry, that's just delicious. So wait, before I do that, let's see if this game has any sounds. Press right mouse button or wiring text to toggle wiring mode. I don't know what that means. Press backspace or main text to return to the main menu. Not quite sure what that means, but it sounds like you'll have some options. On stream, okay, enjoy. The game works on Windows, Linux, Macs, Android browsers, mobile browsers, and even most smart TVs. Really? Okay. Ambitious. Cross-platform. Press any key. I like this developer because he has his story, which I totally need to do that. He has his story on the front page. Okay, bro, we get it. It's pretty awesome. But kind of weird graphics. I love this shader though. This background that's just like noise from a old TV that's really dark, and then there's a binary code that's scrolling up. Tutorials, instructions, build a circuit. Okay, this is the same instructions and credits. Okay, start settings. What settings have you got? CRT on? I don't know what that is. Oh, that's CRT. I prefer it off. Okay, music, sound effects, help. Help short, signal steady. Signal interference. What does that mean? Help long, short, none? What is this? This is so weird. Tutorial, main, reset, switch, logic, lamp, pass, next, safety tip, don't touch the live wires. Excuse me, back, wiring. This tutorial series is for you to learn how logic gates work and how to operate the game mechanics. Available items are indicated with blue color on the bottom icons. Blue color? So right now I have nothing available. You can drag logic gates around with the left mouse button or touch. Is this a logic gate? Left mouse button? Cool. Look at that. It goes anywhere on the screen. And it curves with a really weird, like, Lagrange kind of a thing. That's wild. Not the battery, though, huh? Why does it dip down like that? What's going on? This is wild. I love this. You can drag logic gates around the left mouse button or touch. Hover over the objects to see info about them. A lamp? Oh, the ground. Oh. So why didn't the lamp light up? Connect the wiring by activating the wiring.
01. You need to connect it.
Connect the wiring by activating the wiring selection and drag the wires from one object to another.
You've just burned it.
Don't you just connect it right there? Connect it here? I don't get it. Connect the wiring by activating the wiring selection.
To connect, I think, press wiring button.
Down here? Whoa. Logic. Huh.
Infinite Coder 01. Stop burning everything down.
To pass the tutorial level, switches must be toggled on. All logic gates must be used and wired properly. The lamp needs to be lit. Oh, this changes color. So it's green, and then it's red when it's not on. Okay, interesting. You can drag logic gates around with left mouse button
Infinite
or
coder
touch.
01. Press wiring once and drag the wire from the pin to the lamp.
So it's on red right now, which means that I can touch it. If it's on green, that means that it's live. What if we reset? Let's reset everything. Okay, it's on red. What powers the logic gates? VCC wires are on top in dark green. On top. Is that this? Dark green, is that
Infinite
this?
coder 01. If it's on green, that means that you make wires now.
G and D wires are below in dark red. What is a VCC wire? What's a G and D wire? I don't know what those are. So do we just connect it over here? No? And why does it dip down like that? Weird.
Infinite coder 01. VCC is power, GND is ground.
Oh, ground. So
Infinite coder 01. This one that is dipping is connecting battery minus to the lamp minus.
I don't understand that, but thank you. I have no clue what that means. No clue.
Infinite coder 01. You need to enable wiring to drag a wire. Infinite coder 01. You can't just drag a switch to the lamp.
You can't just drag a switch. You need to enable wiring to drag a wire?
Infinite coder 01. You need to make a wire from the switch to the lamp.
Wait, let's reset it. Okay, so it doesn't have any of the options. It says available items are indicated with blue color on the bottom. We don't... Is this blue color? But it doesn't look like any of these are available.
Infinite coder 01. Disable switch, so it won't shock you. Infinite coder 01. Make the wiring green. Infinite coder 01, and drag from the very edge of the switch pin to the lamp pin.
Oh, what? Oh.
Infinite coder 01. You got it?
Oh, thank you, dude. I didn't know that you could drag from very tip here to the tip there. It doesn't say that
Infinite
anywhere
coder
on
01.
screen.
Now you need to turn on the switch to light the lamp.
It doesn't say that on screen, though. Okay, next one. This is not a gate. It inverts the input signal to the output. I don't know what that means. In electronics, a NOT gate is, as such, more commonly called as an inverter. Okay. Oh, and look at this, a NOT gate. So we have a switch available and then an inverter, I guess?
Infinite Coder 01. You can invert twice, so you use all the components.
Oh. Oh. Oh, I see. When you get this on, then you go like this.
Infinite Coder 01. It's like logical not in C++.
Oops.
Infinite Coder 01. Turn the switch off. Infinite Coder 01. Asterisk on.
Whoops, now I messed it up.
Infinite Coder 01. So the NOT is not powered. Infinite Coder 01. And connect the NOT with wires.
Wait, why does it start from there? Doesn't give me the option to go from there with the... Huh. So I have no choice once I take this. It has to go from there. Okay, so it starts from there no matter what I do. Okay. So then... Here...
Infinite Coder 01. You have a switch. It passes the bool if it's on. You have an inverter. It is just like an exclamation mark in C++. You can't wire a pin if it's true. We call it hot. Infinite
Huh.
Coder 01. So when the component is green, it means that it's powered. You shouldn't touch powered components.
I don't understand. Why did that work? I don't get it. This is an AND gate. It outputs a 1 if both inputs are 1. It outputs a 0 if both or either are 0. Okay. And we've got that and the
Infinite
AND
Coder
gate.
01. Because you have true.
Interesting. I have no idea.
Infinite Coder 01. This would be tug.
Sadly, this is not teaching me anything. Oh, and how does that work? Oh, so this gets... Okay, see, that's not very clear.
Infinite Coder 01. This is a game about not touching powered stuff.
It's not, it's about not touching powered stuff? Oh.
Infinite Coder 01. I wonder, can you make a short here?
What? Can I make a short? How stupid I am? I could make a short with how
Infinite
stupid I
Coder
am.
01. This is the main Chow Lang.
Oh, because this is connected, right? And this isn't... Oh, wait, it's a NOT gate. So if this is positive, this becomes negative, and it doesn't transfer the power. I'm just trying to figure out why this one is powered if it's not connected to the battery, but it is connected to the battery. So this kind of has the electricity as well. And if this is a NOT gate, it's like if this one's true, it'll turn off the power. But the power stays there as it goes from here to there, because this one wouldn't get power otherwise, right? And then because it's a NOT...
Infinite Coder 01. Because it's a NOT gate, it's powered when the component before is not powered.
When the component before it on the wire. But this is another wire, and this is another wire? I'm so confused. I understand that it's trying to teach me this stuff, but it's really not teaching me. It's just a puzzle. It's really just a puzzle. It's not actually teaching me. This is a NAND gate. It works inverted from AND gate. It outputs a 1 when both are either are 0. It outputs a 0 when both inputs are 1. See, this I understand, but how this works, like why this ground is here, why this, what this is above ground, that's
Infinite
electronics.
Coder 01. You can ignore those. Those wires are just power for elements to work as NOT gates.
You can ignore those. Those wires are just power for elements to work as NOT gates. Yeah, see, I don't understand that. I understand what you said, but I don't understand why that is the way it is. Okay, so now we have
Infinite
3
Coder
switches.
01. You need not only power to light a lamp but also a ground.
See, I didn't know that. And I don't know how that... Actually, I kind of do.
Infinite Coder 01.
Oh, because the
The
electricity...
electricity in the real world uses 2 wires. Infinite Coder 01. It's school, 7th grade.
You know how long since I've been in 7th grade, dude? Probably longer than you've been alive. The concept of ground in electrical circuits, especially in the context of lighting a light bulb or any other electrical device, is often misunderstood. Probably forgot is the term because everybody learns it, right? To clarify, let's break down the basics of how electrical circuits work and the role of the ground. Oh. For any electrical device, including a light bulb to work, there must be a complete circuit for electrical current to flow. This typically involves a power source, like a battery or mains electricity. Okay, there's a power source. And a load, like a light bulb, and a conductive wiring that connects them. Excuse me. So this ground is a wire. So this ground is part of the wire. So this is all one wire is what... Okay, so I'm kind of visualizing this. This is a switch. Okay. This is another switch. So what happens when I pick up this one? What does that do? And then this only has 2. So how do I get a wire? No, wait. So then I green it up. Okay. I don't know. It goes there. That goes there. Where does this go? to there. And then where's this? So how does this connect over to here? Or do I bring this to there? No. Does it connect here as well? No.
Yourless brother, why did you create a third switch?
Because there's 3. Do I not need 3? I thought you're supposed to use...
Infinite Coder 01.
Oh, there's 2 of
Use
these.
Switch to go out of the NAND gate.
There's 2 of these, too. Interesting. So when this is green, I can wire these up red.
Infinite Coder
I do.
01. At your lost brother hut. You need to use all the components to pass the level.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Wait, so we go here. Oh, I see. And then this one from here. No. Here. To there. To here. Oh, see, why does it go back to there? I wanted to connect from here, don't I? Oh, wait. Then we go wiring here to there. There. Whoops. There. Didn't I just switch it? Computer. Oh, God.
Infinite Coder 01. Turn off this NAND.
Hold on, we gotta do it again. I didn't do that right, apparently.
Infinite Coder 01. Using those switches. Yourless brother, you need to use another connection from the source to the third switch along with the output of the first NAND as inputs for the second NAND.
What's going on? Why won't it let me take that one? I don't know what's going on. All right. Okay, so I turn that green and I can wire that up. And I wire this up. Then I do
Infinite
this
Coder
one.
01. If the component is powered, touching it here is death.
So then we go there. And then I switch it to there. Computer, just give me the wire. Why won't it let me wire it? Why won't it let me wire it to there, son? I don't get it. I don't get it. It's supposed to let me go from here to there, right? Oh, do you have to connect it like that?
Infinite Coder 01. Turn off NAND.
Turn off NAND. Oh.
Infinite Coder 01. You can't connect it while it's powered.
Oh shoot, that just ruined the wire, right? You can't connect it while it's powered? See, what does that mean?
Yourless brother, how is it not off?
Oh, your
Yourless
lost brother. Hey, your
The
lost brother,
switches
what's
are
up?
open.
How's it going? I thought the Infinite Coder was saying something, but it's actually your name I was hearing. Welcome. I have no idea what I'm doing. No idea. But it's cool. Kind of, I guess. Can I move this one? So this one...
Infinite Coder 01. The NAND gate is powered when not all of inputs are powered.
Oh, now I can run the wire. Wait.
Yourless brother, Infinite
Oh,
Coder
you
01.
can only run the
So,
wire when
it's
it's not
only
powered.
when all inputs are powered.
Bruh. So then this one, because I'm green, I can run the wire? Okay. And because that one's powered, we want to turn this off. Whoop. Oh, no, that's wiring. So I need to go red,
Infinite
turn that
Coder
off.
01. That's
Okay.
what I was saying all that time.
I know, but I don't get any of this. This is crazy. Yeah. Huh.
Infinite Coder 01. This is basics of computing.
Well, I can understand assembly
Infinite
language.
Coder 01.
I can't understand
That's
this.
how computers work.
Really. I understand how the CPU works. I understand how assembly language works, but this, I don't get this. Give me assembly language anytime.
Your youngest brother, real NAND gates have more than 3 pins. It's a bit confusing. Infinite Coder 01. At your lost brother there are 5. Infinite Coder 01. At your lost brother power and ground above and below. Your lost brother, correct. Infinite Coder 01. At Infinite Coder 01 in the game they are present.
Anyways, let's see if we can go to the next one. This is an OR gate. Oh. And it's got 2 switches. Okay, so we take this, and that's... So this is power, and it's off, so this is not powered.
Infinite Coder
So
01.
I can choose to...
Docs doesn't say anything about what logical elements are used inside of those registers.
And so, can I bring this out? Okay.
Infinite Coder 01.
So,
This dark red is
let me
ground.
go there. And then we go there? Okay. And then because it's green, we want to
Your
turn it...
brother, well,
Oh, I thought I had to... Oh, wait. Do I have to turn it off then? So do I have to turn this off? And why did that... I burned out the wire. That's awesome. Whoops. So because it's red, I have to green it. Okay, because it's off now. I have to run the wire. Yeah. And then
Infinite Coder 01. An OR gate is on when any of inputs are on.
okay. So an OR gate is 1 when any of the inputs are 1. I gotcha. And that's it? That's all of them? Cool. So what's main?
Infinite Coder 01.
Logica.
You need all switches on.
What's this? Signal interference. What's that? What's the long help? I gotta try the long help.
Infinite Coder 01. That's weird requirement in the game. Infinite
Don't touch
Coder
the live
01.
wires.
Make
Green.
help long and enable signal interference.
I don't know what signal steady is, let alone interference. Let's see what we get. What's the
Infinite
music
Coder
anyways?
01. Help is, I think, the hover.
What's this? Oh. What's all this? Ah. Okay, so then let's go here. What's that one? Oh, look at this, dude.
Infinite Coder 01. Those are more levels, I think.
So what do we got here? So wiring, that's a NOT gate. So if I go, whoops.
Infinite Coder 01. See this longer help, on hover.
Oh, did I get it? But I didn't even run anything from there. But that's because it's off, so it doesn't need it. Interesting.
Infinite Coder 01. You have to make all connections and turn on all switches. Infinite Coder 01. This was in the instruction.
Alright, I think I got it. But it's really, really interesting.
Infinite Coder 01. Not enough elements used.
Not enough elements used? Oh.
Infinite Coder 01. OMG the latency. Infinite Coder 01. The logic at the top right corner turns green when you use all elements.
Oh, I wondered why it didn't light up.
Infinite Coder 01. Same thing with switch when you turn on all switches.
There we go. Switch when you turn on the switches. Logic. Okay, cool.
Infinite Coder 01. And lamp when all lamps fur.
Alright, that's cool.
Infinite Coder 01. And pass when all of the above are green.
Is this a new one? What's this? An X in OR? Exclusively not OR. Oh, okay, I got you. So 4 switches.
Infinite Coder 01. 1 HR 10 minutes already.
No, that's okay, we're having fun now. A NOT gate, an AND gate, an AND gate. Well, let's see if we can try to come to the conclusion like this. And then a here. And then here.
Infinite Coder 01. Fun burning wires.
Okay, this one I can connect there. This one, whoops. How come this one's on?
Infinite Coder 01. This is NAG. Infinite Coder 01. Asterisk NAND.
This is an AND gate. Output is 1 when both inputs are 1. This is an AND gate. Output is 1 when both or either
Infinite
are
Coder
0.
01. Misspell.
I think what I do is, I think I do it like this. Hold on. So I think one of these goes here.
Infinite Coder 01. This is NAND and it's off when both inputs are on.
Why is that right there? Alright, let's see if we can connect these up. Okay. I thought when that's green I could touch green. Oh, and now it's moving it. Why? So I can't wire that up no matter what? Oh wait, because I have to turn that off. Oh, gotcha.
Infinite Coder 01. You can't touch green.
And I need to turn that one off so that I
Infinite
can
Coder
wire these
01.
two.
It's moving when you're in wiring.
Okay.
Infinite Coder 01. Asterisk when not in wiring.
I thought I had to have it on green and now I burned that out. Okay, so does this... Oh, this is so frustrating. We got it. Okay, so that one's off now. And then we come down here, we want to turn one of these off. So that I can go here, wire this one up to there, and this one up to there.
Infinite Coder 01. This is so fun.
I know, right? Wait, that one's off. That's fine. And then we want to go here because I want to turn it off. Whoops, I burnt it. Oops, I burned it. All right, so right there.
Infinite Coder 01. And
But
bird.
okay, now I can go here. Oh wait, no, it won't let me wire it. Son of a. There and there. Is that right?
Infinite Coder 01. When wiring is green, you can't turn on/off.
Oh.
You can only wire. Infinite Coder 01. Switches.
There we go. I thought it had to be something like this and these wouldn't be just right over there. Okay. Is it letting me go to each extra level? Cool. So what do we got? Exclusive not or, exclusive or, 2 knots, and 5 switches. 5 switches. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I think I'm getting the hang of this a little bit. So what do we have? An exclusive not or and a not gate. So I know that one of these has got to go up here. And then an exclusive not or should go about here. Oh, and there's 2 connections here. Look at that. So this is an XOR, which is exclusive OR. So what's this, a not? Okay, let's put the not in the middle there, I think. I don't know. And then the OR gate. Let's put the not there. So we can put the OR gate there. And then this one right here. I don't know yet. So wiring.
Infinite Coder 01. Wasting not on O. Infinite Coder 01. Asterisk or.
Whoops. Hey, I wasn't touching that one.
Infinite Coder 01, you've touched it?
Oh wait, how do I, what do I? Okay, I'm close. I'm very close. All right. Oops. Okay, there we go. Let's link this in chat again. Here we go. Okay, what do we got? 6 switches. Whew. 2 NOT gates, an AND gate, an AND gate. Oh, these are different AND gates. Oh, because of the dot there. Oh. Oh, I see. If it's got the little dot there, that's only when they're both 0, and that would, if there's not, that's only if both 1.
Infinite Coder 01, and NAND.
Interesting. Oh, that's you were saying a misspelling, so they spelled it wrong. So this should be a NAND. Oh, okay, I got you.
Infinite Coder 01, the dot is the appended not at the end.
Okay, let's see what we got. 6 switches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So I don't really know, actually, that. Probably use that there. and then an AND gate. Both inputs are 1, so we can go wiring here, there, turn that on. Okay. Go here and there. Uh-oh. Take the wiring out of there. No, take the wiring out. Oh shoot, I meant to just move that up there. Oh, but then I have nowhere for this to go. Hmm. Six and 6. Okay, so let's see what we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. An AND gate. An AND gate. Both inputs are 0, so we can go here and there. Both are 0. But I still don't get...
Infinite Coder 01. Someone is deducing my internet provider.
Oh, that sucks. Or wait. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Infinite Coder 01. The second I sent this message, my internet died.
Whoops. Son of a... Oh. Okay. And then this one. Phew.
Infinite Coder 01. This is hard.
It is? It's just, for me it's guessing. Just guessing. Oh, wow. Look at this one.
Infinite Coder 01. Every message my internet does.
Oh, that's crazy. Well, I hope it stays on. Both are 1. We have 2 knots. There's an XOR, exclusive OR, and 2 exclusive not ORs. Both inputs are 1 or 0. Okay. Bam, bam, bam. Either input is 1. So we can go like this. Then we can go like this. Either input is 1, so we can go here. This one is exclusive not OR. So let's go here. So what's this one? And both inputs are 1. So let's go like... Okay. Bam! Whew. Interesting. This is kind of a fun game, holy shirt. Alright, we'll come back to that on another. Phew, that was fun. Bum 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 ba da bum 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 ba bum. Let's see if we can break down this one a little bit. Bum ba ba bum bum ba bum. I don't think I'm gonna clash. Let's just go into here. Okay, what do we have? Those three. Let's just do one of these for a little bit. Bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, ba. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, I'm on too much coffee. Okay. Has it been almost a month since I worked on this game? Wow. Maybe some parts of it. As soon as it loads, don't worry, I'm gonna... Phew. Alright, I'm gonna take a break, I'll be right back. Okay. Let's see what else we could find, maybe on itch or voxel character bundle. Badass babes. Click to activate YouTube video. Provided files, Magica Voxel palette, skin demo character, skin body parts, color map, black and white luminance, ID mask map. Holy smokes. Boobs. Just boobs. Visit our page and get free assets every day. Nice. This is a really good example of a nice itch page. The way they do it. They really do really good. New pack every week on Patreon. Yeah, I should consider doing a Patreon. I mean, eventually I'll get some sort of following. Let's see what we got. Cool. This guy was so funny. Of course, at the time it was this video, one of these videos. I think it was this one. The first 5 minutes of it was just I didn't have the microphone on, and then Infinite Coder came in and, dude, you get your mic on? The other day I made a video, I made a stream, and 45 minutes, no video, because I had gone in and disabled. I was switching between making shorts and, yeah. I don't think my shorts are really that successful. This one's okay. I think it's because of the thumbnail. If you look at the thumbnails, see, these were my shorts before. This is the latest one that's done the best. It's got this as a thumbnail. But I need to do a little bit better. Excuse me. Okay, so saving and loading groups of shaders and default settings, so like a configuration file. Yeah. So one thing that I could do, I like working on this because I already have it listed as a saleable item, and I've already made a sale. I'm very excited. I've already made a sale. So let's see. What was I gonna do? Oh, not there. Right here. Okay, so saving and loading groups of shaders. So the first thing I'd want to do is get the groups of shaders, and I even have, see where are we at in here. Let's go into downloads, shader playground. So I have this README file, which has the groups of shaders that there's already 3 groups of shaders that I could do. So let's get that going. And we'll have a way to save those 3 groups and load and save between those 3. And then to create your own group, give it a name, so we'll have to come up with a way to save all that stuff, and that'd be really cool. So I'm just toasting some bread. I'm going to put some jelly on it, and I'm going to enjoy bread and butter and jelly. and then I'm gonna have another coffee, and we are gonna just do some stuff. Maybe. That's all I got. Just maybe. That's it. Let's load the eye candy again. I'll be right back. Toast. Butter. Jam. Okay, but I think that one might be a little too complicated, so let's see what we got here. There we go. Okay. Oops, what do I got? There we go. What's this one? Is it clicking? Did I click on it? I clicked on it. Okay, mute that.
We gotta get to level 10, chat. We got 20 seconds. We got 20 seconds. We got 20 seconds. No. No. Not like this. Not like this. Not like this. We gotta save the hype train. Did we save it? No way. We got to 91%, bro.
Hype train.
Wait, this guy's like 1 HP, man, and I have like no grapple.
Sagi was too late. Zemi cry, Zemi cry, Zemi cry.
There we go. There we go. No, Chad, we almost had a level 10, bro. That's crazy because if he got to level 10, I was gonna do a 24-hour stream. Oh well, dude, unlucky. That's crazy. I was gonna wait to hit level 10 and then tell you guys. I'm not even kidding. You guys think I'm kidding, but I was going to. Dang. Yo, No Skill, thank you for the 8-month resub, bro. Welcome back. Buko, thank you so much for the 7 months. Otterpop, thank you so much for the 10-month resub. Squid, thank you so much for the gifted sub. Crystal, thank you so much for the 2-month resub. Welcome back. Thank you all so much for the love, bro. Holy man, 15 subs away from 3,700 subs. Nice cap. No, I wasn't capping. I swear to God, I was gonna tell you guys we're gonna do a 24-hour stream, not today, but for the first day of chapter 5, which would be in like 2 weeks, but unlucky. But dude, thank you guys so much. Yo, Jack, thank you so much for the 85 subs, bro. You're insane. Thank you so much. Kung Fu, thank you so much. Kung Fu Kiki, thank you so much for the 4-month resub. Welcome back. Oh my God, Jack with another 10. Jack with another 10 subs. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, we're not missing a shot right now. Dude! 95 subs from Jack today, bro. Are you kidding me? Jack, thank you so much, bro. We love Bob. We love Jack. We love Jack. Everyone say we love Jack. Everyone say thank you, Jack, if you got a gift sub from him. Thank you so much for the freaking 95 subs from me today. Thank you so much for the gifted sub. Thank you. I'm about to riff. 2 people left. And we're about to drop a 20 bomb. And this whole game, I've just been thanking subs. I feel like I haven't been even paying attention to the game. I've just been thanking subs, dude. My shotgun didn't shoot. Why did it not shoot? Why does this game hate me? Okay, he doesn't know I'm here. No way he knows I'm here. Yeah, look, he's right there. He doesn't know. He's gonna come for the airdrop, and that is the end of him. That is where we'll finish him off. Tommy? He has no idea where he got hit from. Hold on. Uh-oh. Oh, no. I don't know if he saw me. Saw me, chat? I have 20 kills. Not moving. Not moving anymore. Come on, bro. Okay, now he knows. If he doesn't know that, then he's just blind. I got zone. Come on, buddy. What's your play here? Look, I have a grapple. I'll save myself even if you shoot me out. Every time he peeks his head, he's getting shot in the head. Well, that was not the ending we expected, but you know, you gotta always be ready for the unexpected. You know what they say. Another day, another victory for the OGs. You know how it goes.
Oh, here's me. 3D modeling practice. Cool. Mushroom Game Jam. C#.net. Okay. Pardon me. Undertale Encounter Chatbot. Okay.
What are the different input methods? Input versus. It's also unhandled input. What's the reference for that? Input versus input.
All these people have just one viewer? I have just one viewer, I think, is where I'm at. It's probably me. Making a Discord bot from scratch. I don't even know what a Discord bot would do. Leave me alone, I'm trying to work. Looks like Monopoly or something. That's cool. Flip switch X. I don't hear anything. Wait, Kickstarter? Ah. An actual video game on Kickstarter. Cool, look at this. 9,000 pledged of 8,800. Nice, dude. Dude got his Kickstarter. I'm gonna follow. Wait, I don't want to say anything. I don't want to say anything. Because this is what? From April? Estimated delivery April 2023. How come it's not scrolling? There it is. June 2023. June 2023. You're the boss. Cool. Play the demo on Steam. Back after it's over here. Check reward availability here. Everything up to beta backer extraordinaire is available. What is Magnet Jack? Magnet Jack is me standing outside puzzle platforming's house with a boombox on my shoulder playing its favorite love song. No, it's a video game with an ever-changing variety of wacky mechanics and over 150 puzzle-oriented stages and an overworld with off-the-wall themes and characters. Magnet Jack is all about the stages, no bovine doo-doo. No bull SH. It has a quick retry of Meat Boy, a large variety of mechanics like Mario, action-oriented puzzles like Wario, no relation to Cool Spot, maybe a little, not really, don't sue me. Overworld and gameplay. Okay. The overworld is similar to good old Super Mario Bros. 3. Oh, where you walk around and choose where you want to go. You know the one. Clear stages, unlock paths, visit character houses, ride boats, fight bosses, find secrets. You betcha. That's cool, dude. There's a demo? There's a demo on Steam. Hold on. Demo on Steam here. Magnet Jack. Let's just go to the store page. I can't stand this white screen. There we go. Coral Island, huh? Free demo. Release date coming soon. Oh, so he hasn't released it. Look at that. It must be a boss. That's awesome. This is cool. Okay, very cool. I like this. What? Look at that. Is that a what do you call it? Background. Parallax scrolling background. Are those fractals? What is that? Is that the background? That's sweet. That's really nice. That is really nice. Add to wish list. We'll just follow. Okay. Windows 7. I think this will even work. I mean, I could, let's just download it. How big is the file? It doesn't even say? Oh, we got updates going on. Okay, so let's update everything. How come it doesn't have an update all button? Kingdom 2 Crowns, let's wait till that finishes. Kingdom 2 Crowns, Valheim, Cosmeteer. Valheim is huge. But we'll update it, that's cool. What was that? Does not have an itch. Oh, that's so bizarre. Itch is so much easier than Steam. So much better. Alright. This one's cool. Hasn't been updated for 2 months. Am I in here? I'm still in here. It's been probably just about 2 months since I've been here. Maybe a week or a month and a half. Where's all the scenery? Am I just out in an open field? Where is that? Wow. This would be cool, but I looked at getting a server to like run something that would be procedurally generated and people could play while I was gone at work or something. I could do that on my home computer, but to do that for a server outside my house or whatever, $80 a month, $60 a month, something like that. That's crazy. I already pay enough for internet. Disk clone, emoji, and message parsing. Okay. What's artifact? Alright, check on this real quick. I don't know. I've seen that one before. I've seen that one before. Okay, so what do it? Let's put the music back on. Those are all updated. That's cool. Okay, so this, I'm thinking about it, but I'm gonna go and I don't even know what I'm doing really, but I need to do a thing. So shader toy, crystal demo, temp fragment, space station, temp vertex, space station. Look at all this, yeah. Main includes 1024, and then we just come down to 271 there. Okay. So what I'm thinking I could do, because that Voronoi gave me a really good idea. Okay, so one thing I want to do, existing item, let's see if we can be productive today. I doubt it though, but we'll see. We'll see. We shall see. So we have this shader to, okay, so let's go Tesselation. So we don't want to do, let's see. This would be really good for me. G color, border color, G miscellaneous. Okay. So what I've got here is what? Station, space station, shader toy, UST. Okay. So I think the one that I want to load is the UST3 of everything. Okay. Load. Okay. So this doesn't have any data coming through. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, first we'll do this here. Let's just, then tessellation control, load that. Wait, 3 or 4? Which one are we loading? Let's go with 3. Just slight difference, okay. 3, load, okay. Geometry shader, UST03. Looks like it's a pass-through, very nice. Fragment shader, UST 03, load. Okay, pardon me. So the way to get an output here of points, triangles in and then points out, is that what we do? So what I would do here is a geometry shader would go points, points out max vertices 1, but then each time through here is where we would do the end primitive, so we would put it right here. So update, and then we get points, but it doesn't get any of the points. Max vertices 3, update. Oh, so it was trying to output those, but because I limited that, it didn't do it. Interesting. And then if we go up here, okay, but then when I get to here, it doesn't have any of the data. So my question is, when I'm in here, so when I'm in here and I'm calling, see, 232, okay. So when I'm in here and I call the GL patches, excuse me, GL patches 3, data is still initialized, everything's ready. Okay, so I just went and picked some microgreens. So this is still going through. So I'm wondering here. Oh, this is the only thing init data is doing. Okay. So what we want is to set up 3 of them. But we really don't need 3 because in the vertex shader we have 3 of them hard-coded, which is fine. And if I go 8, 8, 8, 8, we get all of those. We get all of these points. So do we already have... That's the latest one, so let's just go. Okay, so all I really want to do is pass from the geometry shader into there, and we want to see what gives each point an individual thing. Okay, let's ask ChatGPT. Let's see if that makes sense. Oh, it's still generating, and I've read this, but to distinguish between every single generated point in the fragment shader, you need to pass unique identifying information through the shader stages. This can be done by assigning a unique identifier or attribute to each vertex in the vertex shader, and ensuring this identifier is appropriately handled in the tessellation and geometry shaders before reaching the fragment shader. That's cool. Here's a conceptual approach with the code snippets for each stage. As a unique identifier to each hard-coded vertex, this could be as simple as an integer index. Excuse me. Okay, so the vertex ID, of course, that's the only thing that we can use. Define your vertices and IDs. So why not vs_out equals glVertex ID? Seems a little overcomplicated, but that's fine. Pass the ID through to the tessellation evaluation shader, so just pass through. The tessellation evaluation shader should also pass the ID. However, since tessellation will create new vertices, You need to interpolate or decide how to assign IDs to these new vertices. One approach could be to use one of the original vertex IDs or create a scheme to generate new IDs. Interpolate or choose an ID scheme for new vertices. Example, use the first vertex ID. Calculate tessellated vertex position. Excuse me. In the geometry shader, ensure each point emitted carries an ID. So bringing in an ID and then GID equals, oh, it's just a pass-through ID. I think we could use the position. My question is, though, how do I access that position? Like, what even does that do? Calculate the vertex position. Your tessellation logic here. Computer. Alright, I'll wait until you're done generating. I just want a smooth screen to read. Can you believe I want more coffee on top? Considerations. Okay. Alright. I think it's let me scroll up here. This so reminds me of the 300 baud modem days. Use the position directly as an ID. Okay. TS out ID equals position. So the ID is a vec3. Set the vertex position. So if it's a vec3. But the vec2 would be fine, and then actually we can just maybe we can add the XY coordinates together, multiply by 10, and then floor it. So let's try that. So in the tessellation evaluation, I've never used this, that's why I'm just asking ChatGPT, so. Excuse me. Honestly, I don't even understand how this works, but okay, so GL position equals, and then it's a vector 4, but we really only want the X and the Y, and then what we want to do is send an out.
I'm back.
Hey Infinite, what's up?
01. Smiley face.
I'm trying to be productive, but I'm not getting there yet. I'm kind of curious about the tessellation evaluation shader, and I want to send out a float to, it's got to go to the geometry shader. So let's go geometry ID. So I guess we're going to generate one. Excuse me. Okay, so we're only going to go with U and V, it looks like. So float GID equals U plus V. And let's take that number and let's multiply by 10. And let's just keep sending it through. I don't know why that would be a thing. Float GID equals U plus V times 10. Or we can go an even greater number to make sure that if they're very close together, that the number is sufficiently large to keep them away from each other.
Infinite Coder 01.
Let's go
Maybe you
750.
multiply v by something.
Yeah, it looks like U is the X coordinate and V is the Y coordinate after tessellation. So let's try that and update that. Okay, so now there's an error because when I'm in here, we need to go in float GID. And then we're going to send it out as a float to the fragment shader. Okay. So in here, when we get a position, it's also going to be this I. Okay. We could just do a pass through. Whoops. Uh-oh. I hit tab. I know this interface is so clunky. I need to work on that too. FID equals GID. And let's just
Infinite Coder
pass it
01.
through for now.
Have you locked OBS on the shader playground window?
Have you locked OBS on the shader playground window? No, I don't. Oh. Yes. Why? Yeah, it's doing a window capture. Because when I went for a break, I had it on the space game. I was just showing that. I forgot it was like that, but I guess that works pretty well. Because now I can work in the background and do whatever, but I'm actually just working in the foreground here. So FID equals GID. We're just going to pass it through. And then here we don't really need all this stuff because we're not going to get an actual color. We're not going to get the border color. We're not going to get the F miscellaneous, so that's not going to work. So we are going to get the FID, and we're going to have a color that goes out, and that's it. Okay. So now, using the FID, so what do we have to do? Color I equals that length of I. Okay, so F ID. ID. I think this is all we do. No, was there an error? Oh, F miscellaneous. All over the place. Okay, so where's the first spot? 25, 26, 27, 28. So that's got to be up here. 25 looks like right there. 25, 26. It's not 28, but yeah. Oh, that's FID. I'm looking for F miscellaneous. Let's just start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just as a side note, I want to put in line numbers. It's kind of a big thing. So F miscellaneous.g. Oh, that's for drawing the box. I'm going to take this out. We're not going to draw the box. In window, we're not going to draw in window. Crystal, we can draw.
Infinite Coder 01. I wish IMGUI has the code editor like EGUI has.
I don't know what that is. I don't know what that. Okay, 43 F color. Okay, 43 F color. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3.
Infinite Coder 01. Also, chat overlay is behind a window capture.
Oh, okay. All right. Crystal. Oh, because it needs a color. All right. So I need a color. I don't know. For now, let's just put in a vector 3 here. Let's just put in a color. Let's go with 0, 0, 1. So let's just put in a blue. And where's the next one? Okay, so 43 down to 121. Okay, hold on. So 43, 44, 45, 46, 60. So we're at 100, 121. And what was the error on that one? F miscellaneous. I don't see F miscellaneous there. Oh, there it is. So what was it before? F miscellaneous.x was just a thing, right? I don't remember in regard to this K. So for now, we'll just take it out, I guess? Size? I don't know. And then, oh, there it is again. Okay, so let's just take it out. Time, I think it was time. So is that the other two? Okay. Alright. So let's hit update. Okay, now what? OpenGL requires geometry inputs to be arrays. Oh, you didn't say that before. Right, this makes sense. So there's that. So then this has got to be GID sub I. Okay, my bad. So there's no errors, but I'm not seeing anything on screen. I don't know why. Not even a white. Oh wait, this would be black. So let's go with white color if nothing else happens. Nothing? Okay, well that doesn't work. GID is equal to FID is equal to GID, and then FID is received in here in float FID. What if we just set it to 0? I don't know, but so in the Tesselation evaluation shader, does this test out ID test out ID equals position? Oh, but I never do that. Hold on. I actually... So what do I actually get for these? But I should still get a color of some type. Let's set it to 0. So when we get FID, what we wanted to do is go like this. FID times equals 10. And then mod it. That still doesn't do anything. Excuse me. Times equals, okay, and then FID equals floor of FID. That still probably doesn't do anything. Okay, I just... So when I had this before, UST3, is that... Oh. It doesn't have a size in there. Is that because size is set back here? Doesn't have a size in there. There's no size. Well, shoot. So I can't put in a variable in here. So in the vertex shader, we get these 3 vertices. Then in the tessellation shader, we get that, the control shader. Out float GID, and then GID goes out. And then in the geometry shader, in float GID as an array because we're getting in as a triangle. And then out float FID because it's setting each one to a point. And that apparently is what breaks it. Oh, now there's no error. Okay. Assignment to varying FID? Varying. What if we do this? Out int FID and then just set FID equal to I. And then up here, whoops.
Infinite coder 01. Varyings are old.
I've never used varyings. but I think it has to do with transform feedback. Int FID. So we're going to send it in as an integer. See if that works. And then we won't have to cast it to an integer. So we could just go if FID mod 3 equals 0, if FID mod 3 equals 1, or if FID mod 3 equals 2. No. So is there an error though? Here, integer varying FID must be flat. That's
Infinite
wild.
Coder 01. I think you need to mark it flat.
I know, but I want to know why. Oops.
Infinite Coder 01. Flats don't interpolate from vertex to vertex. Infinite Coder 01. Can we see what you're typing?
Hold on. Okay. Specifically, it's telling you that the integer varyings should be qualified with a flat interpolation qualifier. The flat qualifier is used with varyings, shader inputs, outputs, to specify that no interpolation should be performed. Why would it perform interpolation? When you pass an integer from one shader stage to another, like from the geometry shader to the fragment shader, it typically should not be interpolated, because interpolation only makes sense for continuous data like floating point numbers, which represents things like colors or texture coordinates. For integers, which often represent discrete values like IDs or indices, interpolation does not make sense. Here's how you come up. Oh, so you do have to specify it as flat, out flat int GID.
Infinite Coder 01. Like texture keywords would be interpolated in the middle.
Weird. So it's trying to interpolate this flat. Let's update that. And then we also probably have to in flat int FID flat. Okay. Okay, that takes care of the error, but it doesn't do what I... Why use flat? Okay, preserving values. Without flat, the GPU would try to interpolate integer values, which can result in undefined or incorrect behavior. By using flat, you ensure the value past the frame, which is exactly one of the values in the geometry. Shader specification compliance. GLSL specification requires use of the flat or non-floating point types passed between shader stages to avoid interpolation issues. Wow. By making these changes, your shaders should compile without the error, and the integer values will be correctly passed from the geometry shader to the fragment shader. Okay. Maybe save them? No, saving, yeah, it doesn't matter. It's just gotta... So it's still not working. But if I take this out altogether... let's try this. Then I have all kind of issues because FID is still in here. So let's just go back to UST3 load. Okay. Okay, so that didn't work. Assuming that didn't work, then we'll go outfloat GID. Take out the GID. So we're just going back to what we had before. Oh, but it didn't give an error because I had FID. Oh, I don't know. Alright, hold on. Then we gotta move this update. Then it works. So let's do this. Let me do this. And can I change the size of this? I just want to get these to be bigger. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. GL point size equals 25. Okay, so that works. So let's go 125. A little bit big. Okay. So let's just try to send from the geometry shader to the fragment shader. So now we're just going to go like this. If FID mod 2 equals 0, color equals vec4, let's go with red. And then we'll go else color equals, and let's go with green. Red, green, blue. If FID mod 2 looks like there's only two values. There's this, or maybe there's another one. Oh, there's a 0 in the middle. Then there's like a 1 and a 2. Oh, okay. So let's go +1. There we go. Oh, same thing. So let's go 70. Same thing. Okay, so there's like 3 different values. The center is 0, this is 1, and these are 2. When I do it like this. So if I want them to be individual, geometry shader. So does the geometry shader Is that vertex ID that gets... You can access the unique IDs of each point or vertex that are passed from the tessellation using the input variable array that you've defined. Pardon me. Ensure you're outputting unique ID vertex. No, I mean, doesn't vertex ID go up? Yes, you're correct. So vertex ID? Okay. So let's just go GL vertex ID. And then down here, let's just go float. See how many vertices have we got there. So it's going to be an integer, boom. Didn't do it. Did it give an error? Vertex ID is not accessible in this profile. What? GL underscore. In the vertex shader provides unique geometry shader does not provide unique each. Instead, you typically work a set of to make a single Okay, but we're getting...
It's 12 a.m. for me. Gotta go to bed.
Alright, good night, dude.
01. Bye.
Good night, dude. In flat in FID. Okay, so what I want to do... Oh, that did it right there, and that works too. That's cool. Nice. Oh, I see, because it's too bright. Okay. Well, at least we're getting something from the geometry shader, from the Tesselation evaluation shader, which is interesting. This is interesting to me. To me. So each one of those gets a unique ID, but the only way to differentiate it if you start at the evaluation shader is with the position, which makes sense, I guess. Interesting. So if they're on the screen like that from -1 to 1, and you add two of them together, the most you'll get is -2 to +2. Ah. So U plus V is -2 to +2. Which is a range of 4. So let's go like this. For U plus V, and then make it an int. But if that goes from -2 to +2, and you floor it, because what selection do you have here? You wanna U plus V floor times 100. And then down here, geometry shader. You just want to take float of FID. I don't see the other ones. So let me think. -2 to +2 times 100. So it goes from -200 to +200. Oh, I see. Wait. So if it's 4, we want to go up by, I'm going to multiply by 64. Whoops, I'm over there. To get the full thing. And then here, FID. So GID, we don't need to multiply by anything. Because based on the position, it's going to go from 0, or it's going to go from -128 to +128. Oh, so and then let's add 128. And then as we go through, we'll pass it through. And then down here, we'll just go divided by 255. So now it's the color kind of based on the distance. I think. Yeah, it's based on the distance. Because it's U plus V, which is the X plus the Y. So how come it doesn't have brighter as it goes out from the center? I want to know. GID, FID, yeah. Okay, well anyways, so we got those to work, and how many points are we generating? Like, what if we go back up here? Let's go down here to point size, make it a point size of like 5. So they're very small, but let's go up here. and do 16. Now let's just go slightly bigger. 15. Why don't we do a calculation in here based on the distance from the center? Wait, let's leave 64 for a second. The length of UV, oh, it's very small. Looks like the center's up here instead of where I'm thinking. Let's pass it through as a float. Actually, let's pass it through as a vector 2 for a second. Vector 2 GID. But we don't want any interpolations. Let's go vector 2 U comma V. And then down here, in flat vector 2. And then out flat vector 2. Do we have to specify a flat when in regard to a vector 2? Well, I guess we'll find out. And then in flat vector 2. And then here, let's do FID, so to be red and green. Oh, okay. So red and green, it looks like they do start here. Why is the X and Y 0 up here? So the X and Y are 0 up there. Interesting. We really need to work on the placement of this and the, you know, everything. But I wonder, I totally want to play around with this for like longer. Okay. This isn't even what I wanted to do. What I wanted to do was print a different shader in the fragment shader on each point. But now I know that the way to get a unique point is with the position. Interesting. Okay, I'll be right back. Over the course of 18, so we're talking 1.0 divided by 18. Okay, that helped. 1 divided by 18 is 0.05. So we want to multiply by, well, you don't want to multiply by 18 or 20. So where are we at? What did we just figure out? Multiply by 18. So let's see. So what was this, 3? Or shader toy 3? Okay. Okay, color, float the time. Okay, that's fine. So hash 21. In this case, we'll go FID .x. Go down through here. Was there anything in there? Okay. We're not going to use box or window. Could use crystal. Rotation, radians to time, FID. Okay, there it is. FID. So let's just go FID dot X, because we are going to multiply it before we use it. Length of the time, FID dot X. So I think what I'm going to do, ID, okay. I'm just looking through all this palette, okay. Circle. I should just have it tell me where the errors are and then just go seek them out. Where's this here? Boom. F miscellaneous dot X. For now, we'll take this out. I know that might mess stuff up. I don't know. F miscellaneous dot X. I don't know. iTime. Okay, yeah, hold on. Color island. Okay, so here's where we go. Let's just go. So FID is a vector 2, and what we want is a unique integer. A real ID equals FID. Actually, it's going to be an integer. FID dot X plus FID dot Y. Okay. Then we multiply both of them by 20, let's say. There. And then here, we just go real ID. Readle ID. There we go. So, where are we at? Where are we at? Probably an error, right? On line 43, F color. Okay. Which is probably inside of here. So let's just replace that with a vector 3. And let's just make it green. Wait, did that just work? So then if we go into here, that just worked. I'll be darned. Nice. Okay. That's cool. Interesting. You know what else would be interesting? So that one spot where we multiplied by, it's right here. Too small to see them though. That's funny. Okay, 337, not bad. Here we go.